Can you clean the great outdoors when people are sick inside and they're canceling their house cleaning on you? That's a great question. I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now today's show is brought to us by Verify My Records, and that is an ID badge with a scan where when you get to a customer's house, they can scan all of your documents, your work eligibility, your insurance, your training, your certification, anything that you want to add, your Better Business Bureau certification, your membership to the Chamber of Commerce, whatever you want to add. Once it's verified, it will go right on your scan so that when you get to the customer's house, it's got your photo ID so that the Ring doorbell can see that it's you and you're the authorized person to be in the house. And then also, if a customer scans that, they've got a place they can leave you a rating and review. Check it out at verifymyrecords.com. All right, on to today's show. You get to a customer's house. They say, I'm sorry, we have COVID, you can't come inside. And it's the last minute. And you can't reschedule, you can't resell the time to someone else, and your company is expecting you to be earning X amount of dollars for the day because you're out on a job. What do you do? It's a great question. All right, about 25 years ago, what I did was I invested in a snow shovel. Because what happens is during snowstorms, during the time it's cold, if I'm able to drive safely on the road, I put the snow shovel in the back of my car and I wear an extra layer of clothing. So if I have to work outside, I can take the canceled cleaning and clean outside. I know, it's a super cool idea, right? So we get to a job and they say, no, you can't come in, there's snow. And then the question is, well, you've already paid for today. We hate that you'd have to cancel and not get something for your money. Now, I do have a snow shovel in the back of my car. Would you like me to shovel the walks and the stairways leading up to the front and the back of the house? In case there's an emergency during this terrible storm, you would be able to get out to safety without the ice that has already built up on your porch and your stairs. Oh, what a great idea. Now, you might say, well, I'm not qualified or trained to clean snow. But I will share this with you. If you're a house cleaner, a lot of the same movements that you use for vacuuming are the same movements that you use for snow shoveling. The difference is if you have a shovel full of snow, it's going to add an extra pound or two. And so if you go to lift that and you're going to sling that over the rail, for example, you have to kind of squat, keep your back straight, and then dig into it so that you don't pull a muscle or something in your back. So it's a little bit of extra training. But if you know how to vacuum, if you know how to sweep a floor, you have the movements down. And so you would be qualified to do this. Now, so if you have an elder customer or a senior and they are unable to get out and shovel their own snow, this is an excellent upsell project. That way there's no cancellation. They don't have to give any money back. You just use that same cleaning time as snow shoveling time. So it's an excellent opportunity for you to jump in and swap out your surfaces just a little bit. If you're unable to clean on the inside, ask if you can clean on the outside. So the question is, do you shovel snow as an upsell project for your house cleaning customers? I'm curious to know how your business works. Leave your questions and your comments in the notes below. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.